Okay, yeah. Well,
I broke the fan.
Yeah, she broke the fan, and so I took it apart, and now it spins like that, and yeah.
What? We're gonna drill this apple.
Let it go.
I just got sprayed with apple juice.
Okay. Feel this apple. It's really soft. I know you can't feel it, but it's really soft. Okay, let's spin it again.
Let's put it on 2.
But 3 is the most fun.
Try 2. It doesn't go into that hole, young lady.
Oh, I feel so bad for this apple.
It'll be okay.
Wait, let it go.
Okay, I broke the fan by sticking a book in the fan, and then it cut page.
Yeah.
See? It broke right here. Oh, it's not in the thing. It broke right here, and now I feel really bad.
See?
And
And there's the
then-
parts.
And Sydney slapped me in the face, and it really hurt.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Wait, watch this, watch this. Hold the camera,
Just set it down.
Oh,
There, okay, wait, watch.
but this is so much fun. Even though for Mom knocks someone in your skin down. Ew, it feels funny. Katie, what did you do?
You screw it.
I can't, it's stuck. Oh. Now we shall put some underwear on it.
Oh, jeez.
Is it wet?
Yes.
Okay.
This is our brother's underwear, by the way.
Teddy Weddy! Why is it in here? Oh, gross. Now we shall put the underwear on. And there you have it. Sugar Spice underwear.
Sugar and spice.
And everything nice.
This is some shorts and Sydney just fell.
No thinking. It's gonna work.
Well, you just gotta believe in magic. Okay, that ended.
Wait.
I was drilling the apple.
That's so wicked.
Oh, Teddy Whiteys.
Okay, that's where it is.
We need new apple to drill.
We do. But we shouldn't waste another one.
Dude, that's so sick. Oh my god.
with apple juice.
Me too. By the way, check out our other videos because they're funny, sort of. Yeah, my channel.
My channel?
It's my
Your
channel.
channel.
Yeah, so check out our other videos.
Now watch this. Watch closely. Watch the water splatter.
Oop.
I shall it go now.
Dude, I can't stop hiccuping.
This is probably really
Yeah, probably.
loud.
It's like in the morning. There's like a million drills in here. Paige.
This is hot on my phone.
Wow, it's again. Is it going?
It's playing. Yeah.
You guys, it hasn't been recording this whole
Yeah, it
time.
has.
How did this hole get in the wall? We never figured out.
We are very entertained.
It doesn't work.
We are
Duh.
very entertained. You guys, look out.
Wait, no.
Oh
No.
Maggie, you are the stupidest person on earth.
Things we can do.
No. Maggie,
No,
no.
Maggie.
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 You guys just take cover. Doesn't even work. Kathy.
No. Oh, no. Don't. Those are my rubber bands from the house.
Right. What else can we try? This empty Gatorade.
Wait. I have an idea. Let me see.
Wait, where's my phone?
I don't know.
Oh, found it. I'm
Drink the rest of this.
I don't want it.
We can drop pieces of paper.
Oh, it's so pretty. Guys, I think we're being as lazy as we could.
I know, right?
What?
I think we're being as noisy as we can.
They don't hear us. Seriously.
And last night we were trying to be quiet.
And they
I'm
did
still
it.
This is so much fun.
Oh, Paige, I threw one of these at the fan. Sid, I threw one of these at the fan.
Oh,
And it bounced off all over.
It's not on my laptop.
Wait, watch this.
You really didn't metal.
Did it go?
It went. It went through
Dude, that's a good Coke Zero commercial.
How? It got Coco.
Coke Zero. Use it for any of your messes. The hole.
Oh.
See it right there? Wait, where's... Right there. Wait, let's do it.
I think we broke it.
Nope.
Oh.
Oh. They're coming in. I told you Coke would be funny.
Wait, where is he?
We're gonna have to have... No! We're putting that on our door.
Oh.
You want to get some more?
Coke is fun to do.
No.
I wonder if it draws through skin. I'm not gonna try. Oh my god, sick.
No. Why? Seriously not.